All right, with our high-powered air compressor hose in this air duct, we're going to turn the air on, and that's going to feed itself forward. We're going to feed it. You can see we're going to twist and turn. So let's get that turned on here, and right away we're going to see the dust and debris come out. So this is really nice because I can actually feed this hose. I can twist left or right. I can actually guide the air duct hose through the entire vent. So we're going to keep on feeding it. Every single time I push this in here, I'm actually going about a foot in. Most air ducts are about 10 to 15 feet long. And once we get to the very end, we can actually feel it'll come to an end and it'll stop. Then we'll start pulling it back, nice and easy, and we're going to see all the dust and debris that this hose went past. It's going to blast it back to our HEPA vacuum here. All this dust that you see coming out is most typically just from over time living in this home. It could be from construction debris, but a lot of it can be skin cells, pet dander, anything like that. You never know what the previous homeowner had in this home. So a lot of this, like I said, this is probably going to be skin cells coming right out of this air duct here. And that is why you want to do a really good job getting a deep clean on your air ducts. As we pause here, we actually can look and see what some of this is. This is just a lot of really fine skin cells, most likely, and pet dander that's built up over time. The homeowner called us today because they were sneezing a lot. They just moved in this home, and this is most likely what's causing it. Every single time this furnace kicks on, we really want to make sure to get rid of this and get that in our HEPA vacuum.